Welcome to my channel, all my savage bling babes. Yes, Granny's savage bling babes. How are y'all doing today? I hope well. I hope everybody is still staying protected and we're still sheltering in place, okay? I do see some are not following the rules, and I don't want to harp on anybody, but by them not following the rules, that's going to keep us having to do this even longer. So let's only go out for necessities, doctor's appointments, things, that are absolutely necessary, not only for our own good, but for our community. Okay, everybody? I'm still sending out all my wonderful good vibes and prayers and everything to everybody. I only wish everyone well, peace, love, health, and happiness. Hi, Bella. She's coming in to see me. So, as you saw in the title, I am expanding my channel. Okay, I'm not only going to be doing nails now, which still going to primarily be nails, but I'm going to switch it up a little bit and do some makeup, some skincare, just different things like that, okay? Which I know y'all really come for the lipstick. That's what y'all come for. My quirky personality, some of my stories. I know. Alright. Y'all know I love you, and let's get into today's video, okay? Alright. So everybody knows this little symbol right here. This is Walmart. So while I was looking up subscription boxes, I came across some free ones, and Walmart had this free box. It's called the Walmart Beauty Box, and you get it 4 times a year, so one for each season: spring, summer, winter, fall. And all you have to pay is the shipping, which is $5. And I was like, yes, sis, let's try this. So let's open this sucker up. Here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. And so it's the Winter Wonders box. It just come a few days ago. So rate and review this season's products at, and it tells you where on the back. Enter to win a $100 gift card. Like it, love it. Tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey. Okay, awesome. I will definitely do that. So I see we have a trial size of the Colgate Optic White Renewal. Removes 10 years of yellow stains. Okay, let's open this up and actually see how big the size is, okay? Let's do that. Okay. It is 0.71 ounces or 20 G's. Well, I wanted to open it and smell it and see if it was like minty or... It doesn't really have too much of a smell from my allergies are acting up. Oh my gosh. It's gotten warmer. Well, it's cool in the winter. Cool in the morning. Come on, Granny. Spit them words out. Let's get to talking. It's cooler in the mornings, and then during the day it gets warmer. And so we open up the patio door and the windows and things. And I close them while I'm recording because there's kids. But the allergies and stuff, it really affects me. And I love a good lotion. This is Jergens Body Butter Collection Lavender. Now, lavender will help soothe you. It will help put you to sleep and all that. Soothe and smooth with calming lavender essential oil. Triple butter blend. This is 1 fluid ounce, 29 milliliter. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's just put some of this on right quick. And yes, my hands are clean and sanitized. Oh, I like that. I like that. All right. Yeah. And look here, we have NYX Professional Makeup Crew. It is lipstick, y'all know. Me and my lipsticks. Excuse me. Oh, goodness. Let me grab something right quick and get this open. All right. Okay, let's see, where's the, this is California, and this is Metallic Lip Cream, Soft Matte. It's 0.22 fluid ounces, and this one is, oh, it says California as well, I'm wondering what the name of each color is, because they are different. Let's see if these two numbers are the same. SMMLC13 is the top one. SMLC65 is the bottom one. So let's... Okay, I like that. That's very nice. Let's take a look at this one. Well, they do look kind of... There. Okay, there we go. You can see. I hope the camera can pick it up, y'all. Can you see that there's a difference? Slight, I think ever so slight, but I think there is. Oh, is there something on the bottom? It's just numbers on the bottom. Alright, anyway, I will try those out and let y'all know, let y'all see them. Nail polish, woo, Color Club nail lacquer. Now I'm going to tell you what, this right here, if you didn't get anything else, if you went to Walmart and bought one of these, this right here would be the $5 what you would spend for the shipping on the box. So, let's see. It's a regular size bottle. It is, made in the USA, 1074. So that's a nice blue to make some 4th of July nails. Here, let me grab a swatch stick. It'll have to air dry. So, but maybe by the time I get some of this done, it'll be dry, but at least y'all get to see that's a nice blue. I like that. I'll make it a little darker. There we go. Let's put that down. So that right there, without anything else, was worth the box. And mask. Oh, I love face mask. I like the charcoal. Come on, Granny. Spit them words out. Let's the charcoal peel-off mask. I like these hydrating masks. So this is an Earth to Skin Super Fruits Watermelon Sheet Mask. Hydrating, radiance boosting. It's got one in there. Not tested on animals, 100% cotton. Super fruits are packed with rejuvenating vitamins that help to boost skin's natural radiance. This refreshing watermelon sheet mask is infused with watermelon fruit extract that hydrates skin and sodium hyaluronate that helps to plump and boost skin's radiance. I will have to use this and let y'all know how my skin felt afterwards. So awesome. And here's a card in the bottom for the toothpaste. Let's see, is there any coupons or anything? I was just telling you about it. As well as with the lotion Mood Transforming Moisture Experience. And the lipstick NYX Rocket Mix It Own It. So that tells you about that. It's cruelty free. So that is my very first Walmart beauty box, and that is the winter box. So y'all please let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. Do y'all think it was worth the $5 shipping? Would y'all be interested in getting one for yourself? As I said, it's 4 times a year. So, and I'm sure you would get something different in each box. So I don't know, what spring would hold, but, you know, I just I'm so excited. I can't wait to see. I've never had any of these kind of subscription boxes before. And so now I found some like codes and got a few that, you know, I got discounted. I do want everybody to know that all of my videos with all of my products, if it's not sent to me by one of my nail sisters, it's products that I have paid for myself with my own money. So we'll take a look at this Color Club polish now. It's not quite dry, but I think that would be very nice. You could do, like I said, 4th of July designs. Alright, everybody, remember to stay safe, keep your distance, only go out if it's a necessity, and wear your mask, gloves, take your hand sanitizer with you. Do all you can to protect yourself and your community, because Granny don't want you going nowhere. Granny loves you all, okay? Well, I will see you in the next video. Please leave me a comment. Thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And share the video. I want to get some more subscribers because I want to do a giveaway. I don't want to do like everybody else, 100, 200, 300, you know. I want to wait till I get quite a few. I've only done one giveaway. That was at 100. And then I did just some viewer pop-up giveaways. But you'll see, Granny's getting some better products, and Granny wants to get some more subscribers and do some giveaways for y'all. So if you don't mind helping me out, I'd appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Love you.